Mahilig ba kayo sa mga halaman at bulaklak? Dito sa Alabang, Muntinlupa, muli naming binisita ang kauna-unahang flower shop and restaurant in one. Pagmamayari ng magkapatid na Marie Garcia at Isa Garcia Secam. Kilala ang kanilang pamilya sa larangan ng flower arrangement. Sa pagdiriwang ng ika-20 taon nito sa industriya, ang Flower Shop Cafe na ito ang bagong additional sa kanilang negosyo.
To start with the whole concept of fresh, the diner can expect that they're getting the best ingredients. I know a lot of people claim this, pero we make it a point na we bake our own bread, we make our own pasta. Our greens are from an organic, sustainable farm. Our coffees and teas are organic also, So, and everything is prepared a la minute, So, we don't freeze food. Everything is fresh.
Nakita niya maraming mga places in upscale markets like New York, I think you were mentioning, particularly New York and some places, other places in the States, na nag-start na mag-cross-selling ng seemingly two different product items in one place. Coffee at saka ng books.
Industrial meets eco-chic. Ganyan naman inilarawan ni Marie ang buong ayos ng cafe.
We tried to get our favorite design eras, like now it's very industrial, so that's the current. And we interjected some very classic mid-century 50s, 60s pieces. But we made sure that everything is comfy and inviting. I mean, we serve comfort food, so we should also offer a comfortable atmosphere,
At dahil cafe in a flower shop nga ito, concept pa lang, unique na. Kaya naman pati ang mga pagkain hinahain nila dito, very unique din. Comfort food with a twist.
Freshly picked, freshly prepared. So, with that, like the idea started with finding the best suppliers who have organic greens, the best meats in town. And with the help of our chef consultant, JJ Yulo, and our in-house executive chef, Diana Morales, we were able to create a menu we like to call is comfort food with a twist. We serve a selection of soups, salads, sandwiches, pastas. We have some appetizers. And we also have a blackboard on our menu. You'll notice na wala kaming entrees or main courses. We create the main dishes according to what's in season.
Maging ang mga herbs na ginagamit sa pagluluto, available din sa kanilang shop. Katunayan, naka-display din ang ilan sa kanilang counter.
Good morning. We have a few dishes from Designer Blooms Cafe. First is the hearty mushroom soup. Ito po may shiitake, button mushrooms, in a cream base. Ito po one of our specialties. Second, we have our version of a Greek salad. It's a Greek salad medley. It has mixed greens, tomatoes, grapes, feta cheese, edible flowers with a dill yogurt dressing. Next, we have our homemade ravioli. Meron po tong cream cheese sa loob with a marinara sauce on top. Over here, we have another specialty po, spinach artichoke with grilled chicken panini. This is served with homemade potato chips rin. Over here is also another specialty. It's what we call contemporary fish cakes. It's served with a mango salsa and a side salad with a vinaigrette. Lastly, we have our dessert. One of our desserts, lemon tort. It's layers of meringue and lemon custard. This also comes in a sugar-free version.
Aminin, mukhang pricey ang pagpunta sa cafe na ito, pero sinigurado naman ni Sir Ting na kahit sino, welcome dito.
Yung aming gagawin on a day-to-day basis ay dapat comfortable to anybody who walks into our shop, into our store. We promise that we will make them feel at home kahit sino pa sila.
Kaya naman kung hanap nyo rin lang ay magagandang uri ng bulaklak at high quality arrangement, pumasyal na dito.
So this is our biggest fresh flower shop. We offer imported flowers along with locally grown flowers.
Hindi ka naman maiinip habang hinihintay ang bulaklak na bibilhin. Bukod kasi sa hahanga ka sa husay ng kanilang mga flower arranger, maaari ka pang magmerienda habang pinanunood kung paanong ang mga piraso ng bulaklak ay tuluyang maging isang work of art. Siguradong hindi mo lang babaunin ng freshly picked, freshly prepared food na kanilang hinain, pati ang pagbibigyan mo ng kanilang masterpiece na bouquet, matatakam din sa dining experience mo sa Flower Shop Cafe. Para sa homepage, ako si Joanne Chavez.